How to add YouTube or Samsung Music to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, touch and hold, then tap on Wallpaper and Style at the bottom. Then in here, tap on the left lock screen panel, and then we go down to the bottom. You can tap on the left or the right shortcut. So we start with the left shortcut, and then scroll down and select Samsung or YouTube Music. So here I will select Samsung Music on the left hand side, and on the right hand side shortcut I will scroll down and select YouTube Music. So here we got YouTube Music, so tap on that, and that will be replaced with the new YouTube shortcut. After that, tap on Done at the top, then tap on the Home button. Now if you go to your lock screen, you can now quickly launch the Samsung Music Player, YouTube Music. So we swipe on it and then enter the passcode or fingerprint to start YouTube Music or Samsung Music. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.